Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making one of the best kept secrets on Thai seafood restaurant menus. It's called Goong Ob Woonsen, shrimp and glass noodles cooked together in one pot until the noodles soak up every bit of the sauce. This isn't a stir fry, so there's no added oil here. Everything goes in the pot together, gets covered, and cooks low and slow until the noodles are glossy, chewy, and packed with flavor. The ingredients are simple, but every one of them is doing real work. Glass noodles, soaked, not boiled, so they stay bouncy instead of turning to mush. Shrimp, shell on if you can, but that shell adds flavor while everything steams. Cracked black pepper for warmth and bite. Soy sauce and oyster sauce for the savory base, and Chinese celery and green onion at the end for freshness and color. Traditionally, this dish is cooked in a clay pot right over hot charcoal. But let's watch as Worawut shows you a simple, at-home method for your stovetop. It comes out great. Now, if you just want to get the ingredient list, you can skip ahead using the chapter controls. Everything you'll need is explained near the end of this video. Start with 2 cups of water in a large mixing bowl. Add the dry seasonings, soy sauces, sesame oil, and oyster sauce.
This is Maggi. This is naman nga. This is naman hoy.
Stir together well. Add the glass noodles to the liquid and let them marinate for about 5 minutes.
Gonna leave in it for 2 or 3 minutes.
Meanwhile, heat a frying pan or wok with a lid over low heat. Add the sliced pork to the dry pan. While the pork fries in its own fat, add coriander root, garlic, ginger, mushrooms, and black peppercorns. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. The secret to great flavor is in allowing the aromatics to dry out and soak up even more flavor from the pork. Place half the shrimp on top. Then top with the marinated noodles. Pour over just enough of the liquid to cover the bottom, but not over the noodles. When it boils, the noodles will steam cook and soak up all that delicious flavor. Place the remaining shrimp on top and cook covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. When most of the liquid has steamed or boiled away, top with Chinese celery and green onions. Cover and cook for a little longer. Toss everything to mix the ingredients. Turn off the heat and serve. Now let's talk about the ingredients. We used a small amount of sliced pork, maybe about 50 grams. 6 to 8 medium shrimp, heads and legs removed, but the tails and shells left on. You can remove those if you prefer. 1 pack of softened glass noodles. If yours are dry, follow the package directions to soften them first. 1/4 cup of Chinese celery stalks and leaves, cut. 1/4 cup of green onion, cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 whole coriander roots. 6 to 10 cloves of garlic, cut into large pieces. 5 shiitake mushrooms, cut into large pieces. 5 to 6 thick slices of ginger. 1/2 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon of roti pork flavoring, and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG are often added for extra flavor, but you can leave those out and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!